Hello guys, so in this video I am going to show you how to use SigmaMind AI API on third party app. So from here you have to click on this settings button, click on this API keys, click on this create API key and just name it anything that you want to give and click on this create. Then the secret key will be generated and just store this secret key somewhere because once you close this then the secret key will not be visible. Now here I have created an agent that I want to call from N8N. So I am going to use this workflow. I have added one Google Sheet here. In that Google Sheet, I have given my name, email, and phone number. So AI will fetch the data from that Google Sheet and call on this number that I have given here. And in HTTP request, here in the URL, you have to give SigmaMind AI endpoint URL so that you can get from SigmaMind AI doc. Here, this endpoint URL is used to create phone call for an outbound call. So you just need to copy this URL from here and paste it here. I have selected here generic credential type and in auth type I have selected the custom auth and in custom auth I have given the API key in headers. You can see in the same way you can also give the API key. In doc also you can see we have to pass the content type as application JSON in and the API key. You have to use your API key here in header. So I have passed in the same way. Now in header I have passed API key and this key you can get that this is the secret key that we have generated here. You just need to copy the secret key from here and paste it. Want to call and the agent ID. This agent ID you can get from this when you open the agent builder. You can see the agent ID here. You just need to copy this agent ID and paste it here. That's it. Now when we execute this step, I will get call from the number that I have given. So let's click on this execute step. Now you can see I am getting call from this number. So in this way, you can also use SigmaMind AI API on any third party app. Thank you.